So cute. All right, hold on, y'all. Can you see me okay, y'all? Let me zoom in. Maybe I need to zoom in. Hold on. Look, if I come up and go like this, maybe you can see better. Trying to get where you can see me. It's the best I can do. I hope it works. It's the best I can do. Hey. All right, so I can't look at the chat for a second. I'm gonna go through here and hit these greens. Now, I'm not worried about the green on the back because, you know, I'm not going out in just this jacket, honey. I also have a fabulous cape with a hood on it. It's a red cape with white fur trim, you understand? Think Red Riding Hood and Santa collided. So again, if you want to know, I got this at Kohl's, this jacket at Kohl's. It is currently on sale. And if you have that coupon that just came in the mail, like that friends and family coupon, then you can get this for like 15 bucks. Around 15 bucks. And it's great, and it goes all the way up to a 2X. And I'm a very busty 2X, you understand? Like my waist, I could probably sometimes get away with an extra large. I would never would until I lost another 30 pounds. But it's I'm very busty. I have a lot of titties, and my moves sometimes disagree with the measurements in a man's jacket. So just make sure that you try it on, but it is a very breasty jacket. And it's not something that you wear closed either, honey. My boobs really don't want this thing to be a closed jacket. Trust me on that. Okay? So there's not a lot of green ones on the front of this. Can y'all see what I'm doing? Y'all give me hearts and all that kind of stuff, you know? Make sure people see it in the group. And if you want to share it outside of the group, that's up to you. I would appreciate it. Like I said, I do this for fun, so I just like sharing a little bit of joy with people, honey. I'm not getting paid. I wish I was getting paid for this, but thank God I got a good job with my wife. We have an amazing career together. And I get to do this for fun now. It makes it a lot more fun, y'all, trust me. It's just a lot more fun to craft when you're just doing what you want to do, you know? But anyone, feel free, any companies watching, go ahead, feel free to send me product, honey. I'll talk about whatever product it is I'm using. But get off the damn jacket, you asshole! You motherfucking cat! I'm gonna have her gassed. I swear to God, you are such an asshole, Biscuit. Y'all understand now why a lot of people hate cats. She's just being a bitch right there, y'all. She's mad because I'm giving her dry food right now, grain-free dry food, and not her wet food like she likes. But her ass is getting fat. And I'm like, look at your daddy. I can't even bend over and paint a jacket without breathing heavy. So, Biscuit, you going on a diet, whether you like it or not. These are the brushes I'm using. You see these little brushes? These are the ones you get out of the set for like $5, but they're those real soft ones, honey. Feels like wispy baby hair, okay? So I'm just gonna use a little wet, I've just got a wet napkin. I'm just gonna wipe down this brush real quick. And I have a little dry napkin I'll just blot it off with so we can move on to the next color. All right, so let's do some red, y'all. And then I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit, and then I'll do some more. So, let me show you the red I'm using. I'm gonna try to get a better angle here for y'all. I feel like you're getting a really crappy angle. Get closer, maybe? Okay. Okay, that's a little bit better, I hope. I really can't see the chat, y'all. I'm so sorry, but I promise I'm gonna read everything. Y'all talk to each other. Somebody share your favorite recipe right now for Christmas. I'm looking for some good savory recipes. Y'all, my in-laws are moving into their new house, and it is amazing. And she has probably the coolest kitchen ever. And I'm gonna be doing, I asked her, I said, listen, I said, can I cook live in your kitchen? She said, oh, boo-boo, I planned on you using this kitchen when I designed the kitchen. She said, absolutely. I was like, oh my God. So I'm gonna be doing some live cooking that looks like I'm in the kitchen from the Food Network, y'all. How cool is that? And you know, I'm only gonna tell people the first few times I'm at my in-laws' house. I'm gonna be real uppity after that and pretend it's my damn house, okay? Y'all ever do that house sit in the house? And it's like, you know, the first couple of days, it's somebody else's house. And after about 3 days, honey, after you poop there a couple of times, it's kind of nice when it's a little bit nicer in your place. It's nice just to kind of pretend, honey. I was like Eddie Murphy in 48 Hours. You catch me in the pool. All right, hold on. I'm trying to concentrate, y'all, because I have to hold my breath while I do this. And you know, I'm gonna show y'all my full, complete ensemble, and we are going to be going live from our page on Sunday with the festivities, with our singing, with one of our new assistants, Taylor Leopold, who is absolutely amazing, who was singing live last night, and her girlfriend did not share it publicly, so I couldn't share it with the page. But y'all, we're singing, well, she's gonna really be doing the singing. I might pitch in a harmony or two. But I mean, y'all, she's like a real artist. Like, she's a real musical artist. I mean, I'm telling you, it's like between her and Jed and I just know a lot of cool people that are doing really cool things with their music, and I love that they're both real singers. They don't use any auto-tune. They're just good singers, you know? I love that. So anyway, so Taylor's gonna be she's one of our new assistants, and she's gonna be playing the guitar and singing, and me and Teresa have a big surprise for each of the clients, and Will be there, and Bridget will be there, and we all have themed costumes. I'm Big Daddy Glitter, okay? As it should be. So the red I'm using is Folk Art. Where you at? Where's the camera at? Folk Art, Extreme Glitter, Fiery Red. Wait, no, I'm lying. What is it? Rouge. Red. It's just red. Easy enough. See, and the reason I have to stop is because my ADD is starting to kick in, and I feel like just glooping this on. So when I feel that urge, I have to walk away from this for a minute and come back. Biscuit, I swear to God, I will have you sent away. You a normal, Abu Dhabi, bitch. Okay, sorry, excuse my language. I know this is daytime television. If you are offended, then you really should just block me and move the hell on. But I'm trying to keep it clean, okay? Plus, I feel like my child, she can absorb things by osmosis. Y'all, let me tell you an honest to God story. I'm so embarrassed about this. So, the other day, Cece and me were having a little disagreement about her picking up her stuff. And she finally did it because she was trying to earn a little time on the phone. So, she got her little phone time, and when it was up, she pitched a dang fit. I mean, it was crazy. She pitched a fit. And I said, okay, here's the deal. If you clean up your bathroom, I'll give you 15 more minutes on the phone. And she was like, okay. So she went and cleaned up her bathroom. She came back. I give her phone time, and she's like, oh, Daddy, I have to go potty real quick. I said, okay, we're going to go potty. And then she ran down the hallway with my phone. I said, oh, that's where you're wrong, baby. Put my phone back down. You're not taking it into the bathroom. And so she's like, okay, all right. Well, I just don't want to miss it. I said, I'll pause it. And she's like, don't touch it. And I was like, okay. It's your time right now. So she puts the phone down, goes to potty, and I went ahead and paused it for her. And I said, I went around the corner. I said, hey, Cece, I went ahead and paused it for you, honey, so you get your full amount of time. You don't miss the show. And she said, what? You messed with it? And I said, yeah. I said, don't worry about it. And I turned to go down the hallway, and I stopped, and I hear her whisper, stupid asshole. Y'all, I froze in my tracks. It took me like 10, 15 seconds to process what she said. And I just silently said, hold on, y'all. Y'all got to see my face. Hold on. I said, what did you just say? And she was like, and she looked up, because I literally peeked from around the corner. I was like, what did you just say? And she was like, nothing. I said, I do think you said something. No, Daddy, I didn't say anything. I said, honey, listen, your daddy is not straight enough to fall for that kind of bullshit. I said, so you can flick your hair at somebody else. What did you just say? And she said, something I heard. I said, what did you hear? She said, something I heard somebody say to me. I said, was it somebody at school? She had somebody at my old school said it to me. And I said, and you thought that it was okay to whisper that under your breath to your daddy? And she's like, no, I didn't think you could hear it. I said, take your happy butt and your flicking hair into timeout. And you're gonna sit there until you screaming bloody murder like it's the worst day of your life. And then you're gonna have one more minute and then I'm gonna let you up. Until she sat there and just said, I'm so sorry, I'll never say that again. I'm gonna throw up. 3 minutes later. And that's it. Dewana, I'm telling you, I don't know where she learned such nasty fucking language. I was just upset. And even so, I'm like, girl, if you go, my thing is like, if you gonna cuss, honey, then cuss properly. Don't be clumsy about it, honey. Use it effectively. You know? I might not always use it effectively, but I'm also a little wound up telling this story because it irritates the hell out of me. But like I'm saying, oh, I'm painting y'all and I'm not even showing you. Sorry. So yes, daytime with Justin. That's right, Deborah. I did this specifically for the people that can't keep their old asses awake. And I'm talking about people in their 30s, their 40s. Now, I got people that the world might consider old, that are in their 70s and 80s that watch. Honey, they can be with me at 2 a.m. They still with it. It's them young heads, honey. They just can't hang no more. I think we all got diabetes anyway. We'd be falling asleep early. Okay, look. I'm going to put some more paint on this, okay? Did I see Leilani? Hey, Leilani. I can't really see the chat because I've got this thing turned down, but I think that said Leilani. Biscuit, I'm going to... I don't know what to do about that cat. And seriously, y'all, I think there's something wrong with my cat. Maybe she's into fashion. All right, I got one more little thing to go, and then I'll have to walk away from this for a second because I'm gonna have to do something with this cat. And that may or may not, I'm gonna have a Miss Hannigan moment. And this is going to the sausage factory. What do we say, Annie? I love you, Miss Hannigan. Why anyone would be an orphan is beyond me. It's a hard knock life for us. It's hard knock life for us. Steady kisses, we get kicked. Steady treated, we get tricked. It's hard knock life. Doesn't it feel like the wind is always howling? Okay, so y'all, I'm gonna go rinse these brushes. Hold on. Come back over here for a second. Hello. Y'all, I see Cece's Wonder Woman backpack, and Teresa came home, took her shirt off, dropped it by the chair, and said, I'm taking a nap. I said, okay. So I got a wet napkin that I might be sitting on. Let me wipe my brush off. For you OCD people that are like, don't let it dry on the brush. Look. All better. Okay. Used to call me a prick and I use that nasty word so much when I'm there. So, I know, Claire, me too. That's my favorite movie too. The Aileen Quinn version, right? The new one is good if you have an attention span problem because it's real quick. But the original one that is based on like the play, that's where it's at, honey. I love Sia, but she really effed up the musical score of Annie. So anyway, I don't want to wake up Cece, and I hope oh Lord, there was Tony. She went up. I went on during the day, Tony, for your ass. I specifically thought of you. And what are you doing? You sleeping? Oh my God. I'm gonna catch you one of these days, girl.